Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you with another iPhone video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your iPhone with the new iOS 14 update. I'm going to show you a couple apps that you can use to customize your home screen and make it look all nice and aesthetically pleasing. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and maybe even hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Before we begin, I have the white iPhone 11 and I just have a VT Cosmetics photo card of Yoongi in the back of my phone. Just in case you guys were curious, my clear phone case is from CaseCo. I actually received two phone cases from them. I received this military clear protective case from them, and I also received one of their matte cases. This one has the logo cut out. This one's just very thin. I feel like it's not as protective as this, obviously. The reason that I picked this one out though was because it's anti-yellowing, which I know that with a bunch of my phone cases, they literally turn yellow after not even that long period of time having it on my phone, which is like kind of annoying, and it looks gross on your phone, like it looks dirty. So I'm really excited to have this, and obviously a lot of K-pop fans can relate, but we usually opt for clear cases so we can put like photo cards in the back. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but if you guys are interested, I do have a coupon code. You can use code Amanda25 to get 25% off your purchase, and I'll even leave a link to the website down below. Let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Pinterest will be your best friend in trying to get aesthetic pictures for your iPhone, for wallpapers, for the icons. Say you're like me and you want to add pictures of BTS into your widgets. You can be like black and white BTS or pink aesthetic BTS or something like that, and a bunch of pictures will pop up and you can pick according to your theme when you're trying to gather images that will go together for the aesthetic that you're going for your iPhone home screen. So I'm gonna have it all over here for you guys just so you guys can follow along. But this is my home screen. So as you can probably tell already, I have a black and white theme going on for my iPhone. And when I unlock the phone, I have Face ID, obviously. The first page of my home screen looks like. So as you can see, with the iOS 14 update, you do have different widgets that you can add onto your home screen, and you can personalize it. And as you can see, I also personalized the app covers. So the primary app that I used to customize my iPhone is Widgetsmith, and that's how I added this calendar as well as the pictures that you also see. So the app looks like this. It's just a dark blue app. If you look up Widgetsmith in the App Store, it should come up. And on here, you have different options. So as you can see, you can make small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. So I didn't use any large widgets in my home screen, but I did use medium and small widgets. So to get the calendar widgets, I used this medium widget here. And when this pops up, you can click the default settings. So as you can see here, you have all of these different options that you can use. So you can do time and locations, clock and calendar. And then you have like the calendar or like the date options, and you can pick whether you want it to just be the day, the month and the day, stuff like that. So obviously I picked day and dates. As you can see, there's also different options that pop up underneath it. So there's fonts, so you can use different fonts to change the aesthetic of your widget. I picked New York because I feel like that was I don't know, like a nice font. And you can also pick your tint color. So I picked white because I had a like black, white, and gray theme going, so I wanted it to be kind of simple, but I also wanted it to match the background nicely, and the background of my home screen is gray and white, so that's the theme I went for with this widget. So I picked white font and a light gray background. Light enough so that the white didn't blend with the background, but not super dark that it was completely overbearing to the wallpaper. So then once you're done that, you save the widget, and then when you do that, you can edit your home screen. So if you obviously hold on to an app, but you scroll down, you go to Widgetsmith, and then you open up your medium widget, and one will come up, but then you can change it to the one that you currently want. So say you have more than one medium widget made in Widgetsmith, then you will have to click on that widget again to edit it, to change it, and then you can select which medium widget 1, 2, 3, 4, like etc. So as you can see, like I have 2 medium widgets. So I have this calendar widget, and then I have a picture of Jimin. So I'm gonna show you how to do picture widgets. So you can do picture widgets on Widgetsmith, and this allows you to just have like a single picture as a widget, but I'll also show you how to do like a slideshow, and that's on a different app. So on Widgetsmith, when you open it up, you'll go to your small widgets, or I guess depending on how big you want the picture, you can pick the size, but I wanted them to be small. So I have 2 quote pictures and 1 picture of Tay. So to do this, you would add a small widget, and then you would select photo, and then you hit this selected photo tab, and you can pick, I guess, like any photo that you want. So I'm gonna just pick this picture of Jungkook, and then I will save it, and so it's added into my widget list. So when I add this onto my home screen, I will edit my home screen, and then I will add a widget, scroll down to Widgetsmith, add small widget, and then once that is added, if it's not the right picture, you will hit the widget that just was added, and then you will scroll to the number and select the number of that widget that it is that you wanted. And because it's widget 4, I would have selected widget 4. So that's how I added those pictures in here. To add a slideshow is under the app photo widget, and this app looks like this. And so on here, you can create a picture slideshow. So as you can see here, I have just black and white photos of BTS, and I just have those rotating. So I had a picture of Tay, and I had a picture of Jimin, so I wanted to have the other members in the slideshow as well as a couple OT7 pics. So when you open the photo widget app, you'll scroll down and you'll see this plus sign, and so you can add different pictures into your slideshow. So it says you can add up to 30 different pictures, and so when you're done selecting all the pictures that you want, you'll hit this little like gear button, and you can change the photo refresh interval, and this will change your picture every 5, 10 minutes, hours, whatever, and it will rotate your picture accordingly. Once you're done editing all of that, you'll hit adjust widgets to current settings. You'll hit adjust, and then so all of your photos should show up in the slideshow, and it will change according to the time interval that you selected. Another app that I did download but I didn't use for my current home screen is Color Widgets, and this allows you to do like time and date type thing, as well as show your battery percentage, but I didn't use this one. And then as you can see on my first page of my home screen, I have different app covers for a couple different apps. On the second page, I left my folders as they were in my previous What's on My iPhone video, which I will link up here if you guys are interested in seeing that, but I color coded my other apps. So to do the personalized app covers, you will use the app shortcuts, and I believe this is an app that already comes with the iPhone unless you delete it. Basically, when you add a shortcut, you can customize the cover of the shortcut, and that's how people customize the covers of the apps and make them look super nice. So when you open the Shortcuts app, as you can see, I have shortcuts for a bunch of different apps. What you want to do if you're going to be doing this for a bunch of apps is you'll hit the plus signs to create a new shortcut. So you add action, and you will type in open app in the search bar. You'll hit this one, and then you can choose which app you want to have a shortcut for. So say we're going to create a shortcut for camera. Select camera, and then you will hit the 3 dots in the corner. So the shortcut name, I'm just gonna type in camera, and then you're gonna hit add to home screen, and then this screen will pop up. that says new shortcut. You're gonna want to change that again to what you want to say at the bottom of the app. So because it's a shortcut to the camera app, I'm going to type in camera. And then to change the photo, you're gonna hit the little icon on the left side and you're gonna say choose photo. So I found these icons on Pinterest. We'll just use this PayPal icon. So you're going to zoom it in, but you're gonna choose it and then you're gonna add that and add it to the home screen. So then you're gonna hit done. As you can see, the shortcut was made for the camera with the icon that I selected, and then I'm gonna hit it and it will open that app. But that is basically how I did all of these apps. I did it for Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Tumblr, Pinterest, Facebook, SoundCloud, and then in my little dock, I have mail, phone, messages, and Spotify. I know a lot of people, they'll just pick different aesthetically pleasing pictures so that it matches their theme. However, I didn't want to do that. I actually wanted to just have like matching icons. I wanted them to all be the same style and color that pertain to my theme, but I didn't want to have pictures that were drastically different from what my app was, just because I get confused. And I know that like there's the name underneath it, but when I use my phone, I don't look at really the name of the app, I look at the logo. So I wanted it to be easy for me when I'm like looking through my phone to just pick the app that I am trying to use. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration on how you guys can customize your iPhone home screens with the new iOS 14 update. Don't forget to hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment down below a yellow heart if you made it to the end of the video, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!